Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I am so happy to have y'all here today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, we're going to see what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. I was able to get to about 4 different stores this part of the week and combine all the pictures into one video for y'all. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We are in the DFW area. In apparel and accessories, they had more of the novelty socks. There's Betty Boop. She looks kind of like Rosie the Riveter here in this pair. They also had this pair with her all across the top, and it says Betty Boop down the side, and then her in her traditional red dress. They also had some new stitch socks. We have him here with the groovy waves, and then there's the all blue pair with his face. And there's also this pair. It's so cute with him kind of looking behind him. More Muppet socks. I found another of the Fozzie the Bear, and this time they had the animal socks, which are definitely my favorite. They were so cute. They have some new Ghostbuster socks as well. They have like the State Puff Marshmallow Man with the blue background, and then the large pair with his face and body on it. They're so cute. More of these cosmetic bags. If you haven't seen them yet, they're still putting them out. And the extra large tote bags for Valentine's Day. There are 4 different versions, I believe, in all. There's like lots of hearts, the XOXO pattern, and the Cupid Sweetheart Cafe. Now let's see what's new in the arts and crafts. So one of their items that they've changed recently is the vinyl paper. It doesn't sell real well, so they're starting to sell that too for $1, which is a pretty great buy if you use it. I enjoy the iron-on. I think it works really well, but to each his own. There's also these new Crafter Square cutting machine pads. These are the full-size Cricut pads. They have the light grip. You can see it's the full-size sheet for just $1.25. They also had the purple, which was the strong grip mat, also the full size, and the pink is the fabric grip. All of these were just $1.25. This is the first time I've ever seen the full size Cricut cutting mats at the Dollar Tree. So I was super excited to find those. Then I found these Crafter Square artist brushes. These are some really nice high-end looking brushes. There's the 2 right here, and the one is double-sided. You can see it has this very fine detail brush at the end. Then the other packs have just 3 single brushes in them with different tips at the top, some detail brushes, and here's all 3 of the new packs that they had out. Also, they had their jelly roll ribbon. This is the little bit wider ribbon. It's about an inch wide. You get 9 feet, and there's 3 yards for the $1.25. The baby and toddler gear, not a whole lot new. They had the Angel of Mine newborn stage 0 onesies. You can purchase those in the white, the pink, or the blue. And they had these this time hanging on those plastic strips that they hang on the ends of the aisles over by the baby powder. For health and beauty, we're going to see what's new for the cosmetics. We'll look and see what's new for the hair care, hair accessories, style items, and their pharmacy, more like personal care style items. There's the LA Colors Lip and Eye Studio. All of these are $1.25, so they have a bunch of different lipsticks in nudes, a lot of berry and wine color, and a lot of matte lipstick. They also had these plumping lip gloss. Again, you've got your nudes, a little bit of pinks, and some darker berry wine. Also, the lip crayon, all the same colors, just in a different style of lip pencil. And there are the auto eyeliners. They had like pink, blue, the champagne, and there's the matte liquid eyeliners. They have those in the copper, the gold, silver, purple, blue, black. Also the eyeshadow with the wand. These are the liquid eyeshadows and lots of different colors here. And those were in a large box cutout sitting on the floor. Also, I found these Ioni tinted lip oils. What I like about these is the brush inside is exactly the same as the e.l.f. lip oil. And actually, the packaging is so close, they might be manufactured by the same people, including the colors. Lots of new claw clips out. There's the Scunchie brand for $1.25. They have some larger claw clips with the green background, which is like the Dollar Tree brand. And you can see most of these have a matte finish on them. I do like that they're starting to carry a lot of the larger sizes for like thicker hair. Oftentimes they're more of like a smaller claw clip, but they had quite a few of those out. There's a Salon Graphics High Beam Intense Hair Color to spray on a hair color in white, and the Be Pure Hair Shimmer Spray. You either get the gold or the silver shimmer. You just shake it, and there's some iridescent glitter inside. Lots of the Karis first aid kits. You get 21 pieces in these. Got like a tin box, which are quite nice. You could actually use these for other purposes once the first aid kit is empty. There's some manicure and pedicure sets and the Valentine's theme also this week. Then for fun finds this week, I was able to find by the register the Beauty Intuition lip balms that look like little coffee cups. There was the caramel macchiato, mocha latte, espresso shot is the orange, and then the light blue, that is the hazelnut mint. This dark pink was called French vanilla, and then the darker blue was the warm cappuccino. And they're on those plastic strips right by the register. Over in the home decor, a few weeks ago, I found these jars at one of the Dollar Tree stores. I found them at two more stores this week. It's been a while since I've seen them, but I did see that they had put these back out. They have the amber color, the dark hunter green, and then this very pale blue. Also, they have these little glass jars out. I saw the white ones last week and posted those in that video. This week, I found they also have them in purple and pink. They all have the faux leather ribbon around the top with the heart little charm tied to the jar. These wooden wall decor pieces are so cute. They're about 8 inches tall, I would say. They have a hanger on the back, and they have that weathered look where the beads have the paint scraped off just a tiny little bit. Then there are these rose wall art pieces. They're wall hooks. They have the black and gold, the gray with the gold trim, and the white and gold. And here's a view from the side. Or you can get these basket fillers. They have these wooden balls, which are very light, and they're painted with some engraving in them. There's the white, the weathered white look. There's also this very dark, like blue gray color, and then the light gray. And you can see it all has the brown underneath where the paint has been etched out. Some of them have a little bit of like a groove in it, but they're so pretty for $1.25. The home library, office supply, and teaching tree section, they had lots of stickers. I love the balloon animals and the disco balls. They actually have a bunch of glitter on them. You could also get the roller derby roller skates and ice cream cones, the rocket ships, and the planets, or the daisies and smiley faces. Also, they had a ton of these instant loss, eat real, lose weight, Instapot cookbooks, and there's like 100 recipes in that book. Over in the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, I found more of the Coleman scented citronella candles and the metal cups. They had these out before Christmas. And then these multi-use trash bags, they actually have a strip you peel off and it will stick to like the car. You can use them anywhere around the house. There's 10 bags in each pack, and they have them in a couple different colors. It says it holds up to 500 grams. They have them in black, beige, and blue. The kitchen and pantry section, they put out these red and white and gray and white plaid kitchenware. They've got the oven mitts, the towels, the hot pad holders with all of this pattern. You can also get the solid color coffee cups. They're red or gray on the outside and white on the inside. And then the plates and bowls have the red or the gray trim with the white center. And they have the dinner plates, the bowls, and the salad plates. Also, the Ideal Kitchen silicone utensil rest in the gray and red. The party supplies this week, they have their Super Bowl items out for game day. Lots of cute items. These are tumbler cups that look like they're sitting on the little rest. So cute. Also, these little party cups, you get 6 of those. There's a balloon kit that spells out the word game day, and the flag banner. That one says game time with the football. There's the paper trays for food. You get 6 of those in a pack. The 3 swirl decorations with the footballs and football helmet. There's also a table runner. It looks like the yards on the football field, and the game time honeycomb centerpiece. They also have some table covers as well. The pet care this week, some new toys. They had the jet puffed vinyl dog toy with the squeaky inside. You get 2 marshmallows. They're quite large, probably about a 1.5 inch cube. Also, the bambones, which are made out of bamboo. They have a few different ones this week. There's the chicken flavor. There's also bacon flavor, which is this one here. These are made out of bamboo fibers. And then they have the salmon flavor, which looks like a fish. It says easy to grip and easier for chewing. The seasonal items, we'll first start with what's new for the Valentine's Day items I found this week. We have the stepping stone hearts that have the engraving in them with some paint and a paintbrush. There were like 3 different ones. They say like Be Mine, Cupid, and Cupcakes. They had the flour sack towels out for Valentine's Day. This one says I love you a latte. It has the latte there on the front. There's also the love with all the different hearts on it. And then this one says, Hey Sugar. It looks like a bunch of sugar cookies and donuts, which is really cute. And then the last one they had was this one with all the different hearts in different directions and different shades. Also, these miniature gnomes are so cute with their sequins hats and feet. There are 4 in all, and they sit about 4 to 5 inches tall. So they're a lot smaller than those big ones that they sell, but the same price. Also, there's these bouquet bags, and they have some more of the Disney Princess boxes of candy. As you can see here, a couple different characters there. They brought back the monkeys that are pink and red that they sell each year for Valentine's Day with the Velcro hands. And then these cute little characters. You have like your milk, their latte, there's a cake and donuts and cupcakes. They have some cute little stuffies like this koala bear with the sparkly ears. They have the puppy dog in blue. And then the axolotl, which is the new one. I know that's going to be one of the most popular ones. Kids just love those axolotls. More of the lattes, and there was some like milkshakes. Also, some glitter signs that say Happy Valentine's Day in the pink and red. You could also get hugs and kisses. These are a large plastic sign, and they say Love You More. They'd be perfect for like a front door. These are some tabletop decorations. They look like stacks of books. There were 2 of those. And then for the Easter items that I found, they had the carrot garland. You get 6 feet of the carrots. These are also a garland. You've got your Easter bunnies with the pastels. There's the buffalo plaid and polka dots. They also have like a little puffy tail. So they have 2 versions of the bunnies. Now this bunny has bunnies with Easter eggs, again with the buffalo plaid and the polka dots. You can get all Easter egg garland, and that has the different stripes and the pinks, blues, and purple and yellow. Or you can get the carrots with the bunnies, and those are all the buffalo plaid. Also, these large DIY signs, they have the white Easter egg, the large bunny. I had these out last year as well, and then there's the extra large peep. And then for the springtime items that I found new this week, we have more of the metal yard stakes. There's a bunch of the flowers. We have the boots, the watering can, the frog, and the ladybug. Tons of different flowers for springtime. Lots of daisies, carnations, roses, lots of greenery. Lots and lots of pastel colors. As you can see here, there's daffodils, all the pretty pastels. And I just love these little feathery flowers in the pastel colors. Tons of different pots for you to use. There's the ones that hang over the fence. There's the triple that stack. They also have a bunch of garden sprinklers that are really cute. There's a ladybug, a bumblebee, a frog, and then they also have one that looks like a sunflower. The solar crackle lights for the garden collection, they do require triple A's. And then there were these garden decor over by the fairy garden items we saw last week. There's these frogs. There's 4 different frogs sitting in different positions. And then these large metal signs. This one says welcome with the watering can, the sunflowers, also spring flowers, the hummingbird. This one says garden. And then the garden with the garden tools. These are about 10 inches around. They're made out of aluminum. Here's the hook at the top for you to be able to hang them. And you can see they're about a half an inch deep. And there's the whole view from the back. And then they also had these garden signs that say "Let it be" with the bumblebees and the honeycomb, the "Be happy" with the beehive, "Simply Be," and the welcome sign with the blue flowers. I think the "Be happy" with the beehive was my favorite, but they're all really pretty. Then for the toys and games, there really wasn't a whole lot new. They had more of the Barbie and Disney princess paper dolls with all the different outfits that you can mix and match. I know kids just love those. Sometimes they have the ones that are magnetic. Those are also really nice. The Dollar Tree Plus section, they put out more of these tabletop signs. These are $5 each. I know I've shown these a couple times. They're selling out really quick, but I'm happy to see that they're replacing them just as quickly. There's the wood pallet signs. These also are very popular. These are restocks from the last few years. They've had these out. So I don't know if they're overstocked from the last few years or if they just brought them back this year. There's also the extra large gnomes for $5 that sit probably about 2 feet tall or maybe 18 inches. I know they're quite tall. They have some girls and boys. These extra large baskets, which are really nice. They have the tan, the white, or the gray top. These are all $5. They would make really great gift baskets for either Easter or Valentine's Day. The large candles, these are between $3 and $5 depending on the size. And I just love these pillows. I was happy to see that I was able to find more this week because I know last week or about 2 weeks ago when I showed them, I haven't seen them since they sold out pretty quickly. Also, the printed plush throws for Valentine's Day. These little guys that sit on the end of a shelf. So cute. They also had more of the metal camper decor for $5 and the tiered trays, which are the hearts. They have those in red and in pink, and they're really easy to put together. They just screw together. That comes in about 3 pieces. Also, there's the heartstring lights. You get these for $5, and there's a couple different styles here. So you got the larger glitter, and then there's the more fine glitter, and you get the red, the pink. They do require 2 AA batteries that you'll have to purchase separately, but you get about 10 lights in each pack. Then there were these large metal trays that say "Be Mine," "Love Lives Here," and "Love," and they have a handle on each side, and they are a nice large party tray. Also, the Happy Easter items. We've got the extra large Easter eggs. There's the stacking Easter eggs. Also, those are all $5. So if you haven't seen those yet, they're still putting those out. And they brought back the Easter gnomes with the pastel colors, lots of bunny ears. They have the Easter bunny wreath forms. There's 2 different styles there. I love this tapestry table runner for 5 with the buffalo plaid and the carrots. That's definitely one of my favorite finds this week. You can also get these string lights with the bunnies and carrots. Also, you'll need 2 AA batteries to run that. There are the large door signs or doormats with the peeps. There's a couple different ones. These are all $5. And then they have their peep tumblers in the pink, yellow, or blue. Also, there are these boxes that say things like "Happy Easter." They have different flowers, greenery, and bunnies at the top, and some have some Easter eggs. And that is all for today's video. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Also, we usually post these videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. I'm going to be out of town this weekend for my daughter's competition. And then next week when I come back, I'm having some tests done, so I won't be feeling super well. So we will not have a video on Tuesday, but we will be back next Friday. Take care. I hope y'all have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.